It would explode and destroy all of New York City, parts of Connecticut and New Jersey. This is one of the greatest mysteries in all of physics.
The universe is full of mysteries, but one cosmic event has recently ignited both awe and fear: the potential explosion of the red supergiant star, Betelgeuse. This isn't just any star. Betelgeuse is a colossal giant in the Orion constellation, a star so massive that its potential explosion could be one of the most spectacular events our galaxy has ever seen. However, what makes this even more fascinating and terrifying is the sudden, strange behavior it's been exhibiting. Astronomers have been monitoring its unusual dimming patterns, sparking discussions about whether it's on the verge of going supernova. Some experts believe that this could happen sooner than anyone thought possible. But what does this mean for us? The implications of Betelgeuse exploding go beyond mere curiosity. We're not just talking about a pretty light show in the night sky. We're talking about a cosmic event with the potential to send shockwaves through our solar system. And now, Elon Musk, the tech billionaire known for his ambitious space endeavors, has weighed in with some alarming predictions. According to Musk, if the star explodes, the consequences could be catastrophic, possibly even leading to the destruction of life on Earth in as little as 2 weeks. It sounds like something straight out of a sci-fi thriller, but the reality may not be so far-fetched. Could the sudden demise of Betelgeuse spell disaster for our planet? Should we be bracing ourselves for a world-ending event? Or is there more to this cosmic drama than meets the eye? Scientists are scrambling to gather data, and with each passing day, the tension grows. The clock is ticking, and the stakes couldn't be higher. Stay tuned, because in this video, we're exploring the science, the speculations, and the unsettling predictions surrounding the possible explosion of Betelgeuse. From its recent dimming to Musk's doomsday warning, we'll break down everything you need to know about this potentially apocalyptic event. Could we really be on the brink of witnessing the end of everything as we know it? Let's find out. What is Betelgeuse? Betelgeuse is not just any star. It's a celestial giant, a massive beacon of light that has fascinated humanity for centuries. Nestled in the constellation of Orion, Betelgeuse is one of the brightest and most recognizable stars in the night sky. But what many people don't realize is that Betelgeuse is a red supergiant, an astronomical rarity. At approximately 640 light-years away from Earth, its sheer size and brightness make it an object of intense scientific interest. To give you an idea of its scale, if Betelgeuse were placed at the center of our solar system, it would engulf the orbits of Mercury, Venus, Earth, and even Mars. What makes Betelgeuse particularly intriguing right now is the fact that it's nearing the final stages of its life cycle. As a red supergiant, Betelgeuse is burning through its nuclear fuel at a staggering rate. Stars like this don't last forever. In fact, they're known for their relatively short but dramatic lifespans. Unlike our stable sun, which has billions of years left before it fades, Betelgeuse is on the verge of collapse. But why does this matter? The life of a red supergiant ends in one of the universe's most awe-inspiring and violent events, a supernova. When Betelgeuse finally runs out of fuel, its core will collapse under its own gravity, triggering an explosion that could outshine entire galaxies. Just imagine, a single star outshining everything else in the night sky. If this event happens, Betelgeuse will be visible even during the day, a cosmic spectacle of unimaginable proportions. However, the real question is, when will this happen? While astronomers have known for a long time that Betelgeuse will eventually explode, recent events have sparked new concerns. The star has been dimming in ways that scientists have never seen before. Is this a signal that the end is near? Could we be witnessing the final death throes of this colossal star? Or is something even more mysterious at play? Betelgeuse isn't just another dot of light in the night sky. It's a ticking time bomb, a star in the twilight of its existence, poised to go out with a bang. The uncertainty around its explosion has astronomers, and now the general public, on edge. Are we standing on the brink of witnessing one of the most extraordinary events in cosmic history? Or is Betelgeuse simply teasing us, delaying its inevitable fate? The tension is palpable, and the possibilities are endless. Elon Musk's prediction. When Elon Musk speaks, people listen. Whether it's his vision for Mars colonization, launching revolutionary electric cars, or building reusable rockets, Musk's words have a way of grabbing headlines and sparking intense discussions. Recently, he's turned his attention toward the heavens, making a jaw-dropping claim: Betelgeuse, the red supergiant star, might explode within the next 2 weeks. And just like that, the possibility of a supernova became more than just an abstract scientific idea. It became a global talking point. Musk's prediction isn't just your typical sensationalism. He has a history of diving into advanced scientific topics, and his ventures with SpaceX show that he's deeply involved in the exploration of space. While he's not an astronomer by trade, Musk's ability to simplify complex cosmic phenomena and present them in a way that captures public imagination is undeniable. His bold assertion about Betelgeuse has reignited a sense of urgency and curiosity about what's happening beyond our atmosphere. But could he be right? Let's pause for a moment and consider the impact of such a claim. When one of the world's most influential tech pioneers publicly declares that a nearby star could blow up any day now, it's hard not to take notice. Musk's words have sent ripples across social media, with speculation running wild. Some are thrilled at the prospect of witnessing a supernova in their lifetime, a rare event that most can only dream of seeing. Others, however, are far more concerned about what this could mean for Earth and the potential dangers such an explosion might unleash. The key question on everyone's mind is, why 2 weeks? Does Musk know something the general public doesn't? Astronomers have been closely monitoring Betelgeuse's dimming, but predicting an exact timeline for a supernova is notoriously difficult. Yet, Musk's confidence in giving a time frame has ramped up the suspense. While many experts are skeptical about the precision of his prediction, it's undeniable that his comments have brought widespread attention to Betelgeuse's unpredictable behavior. As with many of Musk's statements, there's a fine line between reality and speculation. His prediction has sparked renewed interest in astronomy, with people now anxiously watching Betelgeuse's every flicker. And though the scientific community remains cautious, there's no denying that Musk has a way of bringing cosmic events into mainstream conversation, forcing us all to wonder, what if he's right? Could we be just days away from witnessing a supernova, something that hasn't been seen this close to Earth in centuries? Musk's influence goes beyond space enthusiasts and scientists. His prediction has stirred up emotions ranging from awe to outright fear. Is Betelgeuse's potential explosion truly an existential threat? Or are we simply riding the wave of Musk's characteristic bravado? As the days pass, people will be watching the skies, and Musk's Betelgeuse's supernova. If Betelgeuse were to explode, the spectacle would be nothing short of breathtaking. Imagine a star suddenly flaring to life, becoming one of the brightest objects in the night sky, so brilliant that it could potentially be visible even during the day. This wouldn't just be a cosmic event, it would be a global phenomenon, a moment that could unite people from every corner of the Earth as they gaze up in wonder at the same celestial display. The visual impact of Betelgeuse's supernova would be staggering. For weeks, the star would shine with an intensity rivaling that of the full moon, captivating not just stargazers and astronomers, but anyone who simply looks up. Schools, parks, and rooftops around the world would become makeshift observatories, where families and friends gather to share in the awe of the cosmos. In a time when the world often feels fragmented, this shared experience of witnessing a stellar explosion could serve as a poignant reminder of our common humanity and the mysteries that bind us all together. Moreover, the cultural implications of such an event are profound. From ancient civilizations to modern society, humans have always looked to the stars for inspiration, guidance, and meaning. Betelgeuse's supernova could reignite our collective imagination, sparking new discussions about our place in the universe and our relationship with the cosmos. Artists, writers, and thinkers might find new creative avenues to explore, inspired by this dramatic display of nature's power. The scientific community would also be abuzz with activity. Telescopes around the globe would focus intently on the explosion, capturing invaluable data that could enhance our understanding of supernovae and stellar life cycles. Public interest in astronomy could surge, leading to increased support for science education and space exploration initiatives. Imagine schools incorporating the event into their curricula, igniting a passion for science in the next generation of astronomers, physicists, and engineers. But the supernova would also come with its own set of questions and speculations. What would the light from Betelgeuse reveal about the star's composition and the mechanics of its explosion? Would its brightness lead to any unexpected consequences in our atmosphere or technology? How might different cultures interpret the event? And what myths or stories could emerge from this modern-day celestial drama? As we ponder the potential of Betelgeuse's explosion, we can't help but wonder about the significance of such an event in our lives. In a universe that often feels vast and indifferent, witnessing the death of a star could reignite our sense of wonder and curiosity about the cosmos. What stories would future generations tell about this moment, and how might it shape our understanding of existence? As we await this cosmic spectacle, one thing is clear. Betelgeuse's supernova would be an unforgettable chapter in humanity's shared story, a dazzling reminder of the beauty and mystery that lies beyond our world. Elon Musk, the catalyst for public interest in space. Elon Musk has always been a disruptor, whether in the fields of electric vehicles, renewable energy, or space exploration. But his bold claim about the potential explosion of Betelgeuse has done something that few others could achieve. It has captured the collective imagination of the world and redirected attention to the mysteries of the cosmos. Whether his prediction about Betelgeuse's imminent supernova proves accurate or not, Musk's words have ignited a wave of curiosity that stretches beyond just the scientific community. In an era where space exploration sometimes feels distant or exclusive to professionals, Musk has brought cosmic phenomena back into everyday conversations. The very idea that a star could explode and be visible from Earth within our lifetime is enough to make anyone look up at the night sky with a renewed sense of wonder. And that's exactly what Musk excels at, making the distant and the complex feel tangible and immediate to the average person. He has a knack for blending visionary ideas with bold predictions, and even if those ideas sometimes stretch the limits of possibility, they succeed in engaging the public in ways that traditional science communication often struggles to do. Through companies like SpaceX, Musk has been at the forefront of reviving public interest in space travel, Mars colonization, and the future of humanity beyond Earth. But now, by drawing attention to something as unpredictable as a potential supernova, he's also managed to make the mysteries of the stars a part of the global conversation. People who may have never followed astronomical developments are now talking about Betelgeuse, wondering what might happen if it explodes and what it means for Earth. Musk's flair for attention-grabbing statements is a double-edged sword. On one hand, it raises awareness about real scientific phenomena, encouraging people to learn more about the universe. On the other hand, it can sometimes blur the lines between science fiction and science fact. But perhaps that's part of the appeal. Musk, more than anyone else, has injected a sense of urgency and drama into space exploration, making it feel less like a far-off dream and more like a pressing issue of our time. Whether it's through launching reusable rockets, planning missions to Mars, or predicting star explosions, Musk has transformed the way we think about humanity's place in the universe. Even if Betelgeuse doesn't explode in the next 2 weeks as Musk has hinted, the attention he's brought to this astronomical event has already sparked a deeper public engagement with space. People who might have previously been indifferent to the workings of the universe are now asking questions, watching the sky, and pondering the mysteries of stellar life cycles. And perhaps that's Musk's true contribution, not just in making headlines, but in catalyzing a renewed public fascination with the cosmos. His predictions may not always hit the mark, but they do something far more powerful. They make us look beyond ourselves, beyond our daily lives, and toward the infinite expanse of space. They remind us that we are part of something much larger, something both awe-inspiring and humbling. Could Musk's musings on Betelgeuse be the spark that launches a new wave of interest in space exploration, pushing the boundaries of what we know? That remains to be seen. But one thing is certain. Thanks to Musk, more eyes are turned skyward than ever before, waiting, wondering, and dreaming about what's to come. Ultimately, whether Betelgeuse explodes in the next 2 weeks or not, this event has reminded us of the vast, unpredictable forces at play in the universe. It serves as a reminder that despite our technological advancements, we are still at the mercy of cosmic events far beyond our control. Yet, in this uncertainty, there is also beauty. Betelgeuse's eventual explosion will symbolize the cycle of destruction and rebirth, and perhaps inspire us to look even further into the universe for answers. Whether you're a scientist eager to collect data, or someone simply curious about the night sky, Betelgeuse's explosion will be a once-in-a-lifetime event. It's a chance to witness the death of a star and the birth of something new, a moment that will captivate the world. Until then, we wait. Eyes on the sky, ready to witness one of the most spectacular events the universe has to offer.